Now click on customize. Here we have so many information by which we are going to design our header. This is called our header, this is breadcrumb, and this is our footer. So we will see everything step by step. Let me click on global, typography, click on base typography. I can go back from here, I can click on heading, I can go back from here, I can go back, colors, base colors, text color. These are our text, so text color 545454. I think this text color is fine, so I like this. If you want to change other color, you can change it from here. Now you can see the text color has been changed. If you are keeping white, it will not good look. You can change the color. Whichever color you like, you can choose, and you can light like this, or you can drag it up like this, you can highlight like this. But what I like, I like 54545454. Normally in premium kind of a website, this color is fine, so it's better for you also to keep as it is. Then theme color, you can choose theme color, blue. I like blue. Link color, select color, I like green. You can choose whichever you like. Link hover color, see this is link. When I hover over here, the color changes, right? So this is called link hover color. Theme color, link color, okay. I think this color is fine because the background is white. Click on publish. So we have seen text color. We can choose the color of text, we can choose the color of theme, and we can choose the link color. This is called link. When we click on link hover color, this is link hover color. So guys, we have seen text color and theme color. We can choose link color, we can choose link hover color. This when we hover on this is hover color, link hover color. Now we have background color. Select color, you can choose red, this, blue. You can click here also, light green. There are so many colors, you can choose as per your requirements, but in my opinion, if you are creating an premium website, the background color should be white, because everything is, it depends on you, whichever you like, but in my opinion, what my experience and my knowledge, it should be white. We can click on this, we can put the image also, select image, from here you can edit the image, you can crop the image, but it does not matter that much. Luggage bag, select, just remove it. It does not matter. It does not matter that much. Just for a tutorial purpose, I am showing you everything step by step so that you will understand everything. Okay, now I can go back from here. Then we have container. This area is called container, so it's a bit, now you see this portion is, this area is different and this area is different. See that the gap, you can see the gap over here and over here, but I do not want to do mess up, because what is by default, I think 1200 is correct, but this is perfect. Do not change all these things. Layout, let it be full with content, but there are other options also. Full with stretch. Now this part is stretched, this one also is stretched. Then we have boxed. This area is in a box. This is called boxed. Content boxed. This content are in the box. Okay, but in my opinion, full with, always keep full with content, because this is fine, because this much margin and this much margin is, this is okay for a premium website. Page layout, there are so many options, but all the pages which we have created, it should be, according to me, it should be in a boxed. And blog post layout, you can choose content, full with content, all these things, but it should be in boxed. This archive layout, let it be in boxed. So publish, don't forget to publish what changes you are doing over here. You can go back. I am not going to change, let it be like that. So what we have to do right now, now click on header, go to site identity, select logo. This is my logo. You can choose your own logo. You can design your logo in Logo Maker. Go on Google, type logomaker.com. On that you can design your company logo. Select. You can crop the image. I have already cropped. So this is my logo. Here you can click different logo, but I don't want this. Different logo for mobile device. No, I am fine with this logo. We can change the logo size. See the changes. All the changes you will see immediately, but I think this is perfect. Then we have site icon. Okay, select image, site icon is this part. Okay, here you see it's B. Right now you can change your icons that we call site icon. So my site icon is this. Select, you can optimize. This title is very important, so right click, copy. It's already there, you can put here. Select, copy image. Okay, now here it is site icon. From here you can change the image also, but I do not want to change. Display site title. No, I do not want to display this part because 1 2 3 I don't want to show 3 things. So what I'll do, I'll deselect inline logo and site title. I do not like both things together, so I do not want this. Site tagline, I do like. Okay, so display site tagline. I want to display site title, not this, this. Learn how to make premium website for free. So this is our logo with 2 divider, logo, then we have menu. I can click on this and I can see all these things together. Okay, what else? Let me click on publish. So we have finished this part. Typography. Here we can change the typography, I mean the size. 15, 16, 18. Like this we can change, but according to me 15 is fine. Publish it again. I can go back. Now go back. So we have done site identity, primary header. Okay, this is one layout, this is and this logo is at the left, and in this logo the center, and in this menu at the right and logo at the left. I like this style. I don't like this style. I want menu at the right and logo at the left. Okay. Header, click on header, primary header, width, it does not matter, bottom border size, it's fine, bottom border color, this is the primary header and its border. So if you want to change, you can change, but I like gray color, this is fine. Mobile header, what is this? That we will see later. We can optimize our website to tablet. This is fine, everything is okay, and we can view on mobile also. This is also fine. I can go back from here in primary menu. I can click on this. I can disable the menu logo, but I want that. I don't want to. Last item in menu, search button. We can keep none, we can keep search option, button, can keep text, but I like as it is. Container border, container animations, these are the animation in the container, like these are the container, these things. See, I like fade. Let me click. Okay. Container border, I can increase the size, but let it be same as it was. Border color, from here I can choose the border color. These colors we can choose, but I don't want. Okay. Then the divider color, if you want you can change divider color, but I don't want to change. Menu breakpoint, you can increase. This is our menu. We can increase or decrease this length, but I like as it is. Menu label, here I can type in capital M-E, menu label. Click on publish.